Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn, you guys can having fun with the drawing. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a pumpkin. So, let's jump to the paper together. So, at the first, you guys we need to make something like circle like this. So, if you're not sure to make the circle directly with the black color with the marker, so I suggest you to make like this. Like you just use the any color basically, and then you just draw like a imaginary line like this circle to help you to get the pumpkin shape. So something like this, so like this, right? Okay, you guys can see, right? This is like just a really like soft line. It's just to make sure to help you to get a nice curve in the end, right? So in the next one, we'll show you the line with the black color. So all right, from here you just follow along this line you make before. So you can do like this, give something like this one, but give something like a little bit curve like this. Okay, so this one will be connected here, so you can do like the same thing here like this. All right, then you can go to the next one like this. All right, the next one will be like this. All right, then you can go like this. Okay, after that, from here like this, you just go directly to this, connect to this spot like this, right? So after that, it's the same thing here. You make like this, like one like this, right? After that, you go here one like this. So the next one is this one, then you connect all the way down here, okay, to this. All right, so you can see we have like this kind of shape already. Then the next one, I will give the top of the pumpkin, so you can follow me like this. So this is basically a branch, so I will go like this, right? Then this one I go like this, then this one like this. Okay, you follow, right, like this. All right, then just go here, and then this one go here, right? Then you can make another one like this one, right? Just like this, and then like this. Oh, beautiful, right? Okay, then the next one is I give a little bit leaves here, so like this. So can go like this, and can go like this. Okay guys, right, like this, and then the last one is this. And okay, now we have this shape already. Then after that, we're going to make something like this. So just a little bit line like this. So here also like this, right? So this one like this. Okay, this one like this. You can follow like me, just a little bit like this, just to help people to see that this one is a little bit curved. So like this, right? Okay, then the final part is I will give this shape eyes here, so you can follow like this, right? Eyes, and then this one, the next one is here like this. All right, after that you give the smile mouth like this, like long like this. Wow, right, so cool. Right, okay, then the next one I will give this uh you know the shape of the shy color, shy expression here. So will be something like this, and then the other one will be something like this. Okay, looks beautiful, right? Okay guys, I will speed up the video for the coloring process, then you guys can follow, you guys can follow and enjoy the video, right? Let's go. Okay guys, this is the final result of the pumpkin. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something today, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow for the next video, and see you guys for the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much guys.